Hi, John. Okay, this is the back door. Here is the entrance. This is like the living room. The bathroom. Okay, here's the kitchen. The front door. Okay, and then I'll go back to the living room and make a right in the main room, la recámara. Here is it. More. Y esa es la window que da a la back door. See? I'll go back. So this is the main room. I walk, and this is the closet. It's huge. Grande. Then, see? Back to the living room. Once again, the kitchen. Back to the living room. And back to the yard.